इदानीं भवती एव होस्ट्।
आमाम्। हरे कृष्णः। नमस्कारः।
हरे कृष्णा माताजी। हरे कृष्णा माताजी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्णा माताजी।
हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्णा माताजी प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा
प्रणाम।
माताजी प्रणाम।
प्रणाम। सर्ववस्तूनि सन्ति किल? सर्वाणि वस्तूनि सन्ति किल? अर्थात् पुष्पः, पुष्पाणि, तथैव
माताजी।
थ्रेड, थ्रेड, तथैव
गुड मॉर्निंग माताजी।
सुप्रभातम।
माताजी मैं आपसे पूछूं, ये सब आपको कैसे मालूम है? ये सब आपको कैसे मालूम है?
मतलब क्या ये सब? मतलब
माताजी सा पृष्टवती इदानीं ऋतिका अस्ति, तस्य नाम ऋतिका। सा विद्यामाताजी अस्ति किल? विद्यामाताजी इति नूतन एकः जानाति किल माताजी?
न जानामि।
विद्यामाताजी, विद्यालक्ष्यानी माताजी इति किञ्चित् बुद्धिमान्द्य विषये
अस्तु अस्तु अस्तु।
तस्याः छात्रः ऋतिका इति इदानीं कृते
अदिति।
आमाम्, अदिति तस्य मातुः नाम।
अस्तु अस्तु अस्तु।
किञ्चित् सा तथैव मध्ये मध्ये वदति, चिन्ता मास्तु, बुद्धिः किञ्चित्
चिन्ता नास्ति, चिन्ता नास्ति। मम अपि नास्ति।
अवश्यम् अवश्यं। अवश्यं न, अवश्यं न, सत्यं सत्यं तदपि न।
सत्यम् अवदत्।
न न न, क्षम्यताम्।
न अस्तु अस्तु। तथा अन्यपुष्प अर्थात् how many people, students, you have a white color flower like this? Arnav you have. Okay, you have. And Havish also. Krishnangi also. Yeah, Nandita also. And yeah, Hemangi. Samichinam. Prajwal also. Okay, Panikesha Prajwal. Okay, Putta. Okay, Samichinam. Havish also. Lakshmi Priya. And Madhvi?
Mataji, Hemangi has Rajini-gandha flower.
Chinta nasti, chinta nasti. Aditi. Okay, Aditi अर्थात् तस्य नाम कः?
ऋतिका।
ऋतिका। अस्तु। आमां ऋतिका। उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। माध्वी? दर्शन न पश्यन् अस्मि। चित्रम् उद्घाटयन्तु सर्वे। आम्, दर्शनस्य माता उपविशति। आमां। प्रणाम माताजी।
हरे कृष्णा माताजी।
हरे कृष्णा। आम्, अस्तु। माध्वी नास्ति वा? अस्तु, अहं प्रारम्भम्। अस्तु, सरलविधानेन प्रारम्भं करोमि। सर्वे जानन्ति इदानीं। Take one thread. Okay, yes. Arnav, you know, last class I taught you. The same way today I will teach. I will start with the same method. After that, I will move to the another, okay? Another pattern. So the new students also can learn. That's why. Everyone, take a thread. Okay. And you have needle, right, everyone? Needle, cutter, whatever you want, you can take.
But I'm getting thread and coming.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Astu. So now I'm using needle also. With the help of needle, the easy way, easy method I'm teaching. I'm going to teach you. So I'm putting inside the whole of the needle and just taking some, yeah, like this. And at the end, I'm making one knot. Okay. Big knot. Like this. If you can do like this, you can do. Everyone can see, right? Is it clear? Show me thumbs up. If it is clear, show me thumbs up. You can make one knot. One or two. Okay, like this. I'm holding this thread and like this. Like this. Yes. Now I will start. Yeah. Now I will take one flower. Okay. So I will put middle of the flower, means here. Root. What call root? Not root. What we will call to this portion. Not to the end and not to the front also. Middle portion you have to put. Okay. After 3, 4 flower, I will show you again. Once I put right side and one more time I put left side like this. Can you see? It is the very easy method to make garland. You can make very fast also. So one left, like middle. Okay, very softly you do. And one more right or left. Again, I take some flower. One right and one left. Okay. Everyone got it right? If anyone has doubt, please ask me. Okay. Yes. Like this, Puta. You can put like this, one right side, one left side, one right side, one left side. Everyone can see, right? With the help of needle, we can do. Okay. Yeah, and you have to drag slowly, very slowly. Bring it down. Okay, very slowly. ಹಾ ಮೆತ್ತಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ कोई जल्दबाज नहीं है बहुत सॉफ्ट तरह आपको ऐसे करना है ठीक है again I will do the same procedure whatever I did right and left and again bring it down drag down and at the end don't press hard okay because it's flour very soft kind like a baby you have to handle yesterday only I told you everyone means not everyone few students know that okay few students know that so yeah okay so again I will do the same procedure one right and one left again one right and one left yes one right yeah okay very slowly please yeah yes put a hemangi yeah correct one right side and one left side can you arrange it एक राइट साइड देखना चाहिए और एक फेस लेफ्ट साइड सो स्लोली ब्रिंग इट डाउन ऐसे करके
Mataji, is my correct?
who yes Putta like that see
Mataji, this is correct.
can you show me very good sound effect
This is sunflower. Look.
see like this
Mataji, this is correct.
I can't see Putta.
Mataji.
wait one more second
Correct Mataji.
wait Putta wait I will see yeah Putta ऐसे करना है आप सबको जी yes see one right and one left so you can see middle all green okay whatever flower you have okay no problem if white only yeah no problem white itself middle also white full white means white so one face it should come right side and one left side you can arrange afterward also okay it is very easy yeah after doing all these we can add some more other different color of flowers means today I will take magenta color flower okay like this kind of flower if you have no if you don't have then don't worry okay no need you can put leaves also instead of using
Is okay.
yeah Putta that is also okay and also you can take some what we call that
Mataji, I
leaves
have
also
this
yeah
flower.
which flower
Champa.
no problem champa so you can continue with that champa itself or if you have any other color flower you can use that also otherwise you can use yeah you can use leaves also okay you can use leaves also I just show yeah if see like this whatever I just cut it and I will use. Okay. Like this also you can do, you can use like this also you can make. Okay, no need to worry about other flowers. I want to do, I want this kind of flower or whatever other also. Don't worry about all these things. If you have leaves also, you can use this kind of leaves also. Yeah, but now because I have magenta color flowers with me, so I will use this one. I just remove this one. Okay, I will separate. So only flower.
Mataji, did you like the flowers? I showed you just right now.
So once again.
Yeah, put. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. Now again, it's
Mataji,
also very beautiful. Yeah, yeah.
Mataji is in the thread. You have to put the thread like this,
Yeah,
not
Putta.
like that.
See, you did this one, Sui and Daga. Yes, yes, good. After that, you started or you have to make now? You did? Yeah, okay, good, good, good. Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm using this one, this flower, okay? So
Okay.
I just put the middle portion, middle of the flower. Okay, and I will just press little hard and I take here like this. I just bring it down and like this. Can you see everyone? See how beautiful it looks. Color, color. Okay. Again, one more flower I take, the same color, whatever I took right now. You can use any other colors also, okay? Or you can make full white color flower itself. Don't worry. Again, now, first I did here. Like now I am using this portion. जी 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 क्या क्या है क्या है ठीक है सो नाउ ऐसे नीचे से डाल रही हूँ सुई को और ऊपर से निकाल रही हूँ और ऐसे 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 करके नीचे तक आऊंगी और यहाँ पर देख लीजिए कैसे दिखता है पिंक ग्रीन पिंक हियर व्हाइट है ना हियर पिंक आपके पास ऐसा फ्लावर है तो कीजिए वरना चिंता मत कीजिए ठीक है किसी अलग दिन पर हम
Mataji, can you see this?
wait who yeah yes very good Putta, very good.
Yellow color road.
Yeah, yellow color also good. The pink
Mataji, is
color
this fine or not? I'm just asking, is this fine?
yeah Putta, fine Putta, don't worry. Yes, now yes yes Hemangi, good. Now again I will do the same procedure, means white flower. Okay, first how I did, I say karungi.
Mataji.
Ah, Prajwal, vadatu Prajwal.
Is it good? Is it good, Mataji?
Aam, bahu ramaniyam.
Dhanyavad, Mataji.
Dhanyavad, Putta.
Mataji, my funny question, this is also good.
Yes, Putta. Can you lift it more up? Little up. Here.
In the middle, orange color flower.
Little up. Yes, fine. Yeah, good.
First
Yes,
is orange flowers,
Yes.
Kashayam flowers, and the second mango leaves, And the
Very
third
good.
one is and the white flowers.
Shwetavarnasya. Ama. Shweta pushpa.
Dhanyavad
White.
Mataji.
Yes, Purta. Very good. Yeah, Nandita. Very good. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah. So now again, I use the same thing. Just one right, one left, one right, one left. Okay.
Mataji, can I make one more one?
Yeah, Putta. You can do. Slowly do because it should come very neatly. Okay. Very neatly we have to do. I have very small flowers, so I will do it very carefully. Okay. I do carefully. So you also do carefully. No need any emergency, no need urgency. Okay. Yeah. Just like this. See? Can you see? Again, I will do.
Slowly. ಹೀಗೆ ಎರಡು ಹೀಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Everyone can say Hare Krishna mantra also. Hare Krishna while doing mala. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You can say.
Mataji.
Oh.
Mataji.
Oh. Who is calling? Arna.
Mataji.
Nandita. Yes, Nandita. Very beautiful, Putta. Very beautiful. Yeah.
Mataji, done.
Oh, done. Very good. If you have more flower, you can do one more mala. I have lot of flowers, so I will make big mala. Okay. After this one mala, I will teach you another method. What, Putta?
Mataji, I have more flowers left.
Okay. Can I sing one song? Shall I sing one song?
Yes. Mataji.
Yes. Then I will sing one song while making mala. Okay. First I say, okay, let me see, like this I did. Now again I will do the same procedure, means magenta color flower, one like this and one more like this. Okay. I do the same procedure. After completing, I will talk to you. In between, I sing one song. Yeah. Ambara Ganga Chumbita Padaha Padatala Vidalita Gurutara Shakataha Kaliya Naga Shvelani Hanta Sarasi Janavadala विकसितनयनः कालघनाली कर्पूरकायः शरशतशकलित रिपुशतनिवहः सन्ततमस्मान् पातु मुरारे सततग समजव खगपतिनिरतः राम जया जय कृष्ण जया राम जया जय कृष्ण जया राम जया जय कृष्ण जया राम जया जय कृष्ण जया. Yes, complete. Again, I start here. Okay, I used white color flower again. Anybody else want to sing while making garland? While doing mala, you can sing. You can do any prayer.
Mataji, please could I sing?
Yeah, definitely. Start.
Parama Karuna Bahutohi Jananitai Gaurachandra Sabhavatara Sarase Romani Kevala Ananda Kanda Kevala Ananda Kanda Kevala Ananda Kanda Bajo Bajo Bhai Chaitanya Nitai Shudrura Vishwasakori Vishaya Chariya Sera Samajiya Muke Bolo Hari Hari Muke Bolo Hari Hari Muke Bolo Hari Hari Dekho re bhai Tribhuvan nai Hemona doyal data Pashu Pakhi jure Pashana vijare Shuniyara guna gauta Suniyara guna gata Suniyara guna gata Samsare majiya Rohili poriya se padena hinasa Samsare majiya Rohili poriya se padena hinasa Apana karama munjaya samana Aule lochana dasa Kahoe lochana dasa Kaho Lelochana dasa Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Very beautiful. Very good, Havish.
Thank you,
Yes.
Mataji.
See, a small mala I made. Is it good? Yes or no? It's good. See. Now, I'm using another color flower. Same method. Okay, whatever we did right now. Same method, but I'm using different color flower. Okay. You can also try if you have. Now I have yellow color flower. Okay. So let me do. I just remove. Yeah. And same thing.
Mataji, I
here-
completed my first garland.
Very good, Putta. Very good. Very nice. Yes. Very good. Hari, very good, Hari. Yes, Bahu Samichinam, Hemangi. Wow, wow, wow. Colorful. Yes. Nandita also very good, yeah. And Gopi, yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. Yeah. Yes. So now I am using this flower and doing the same method. Okay. Middle of this flower I using. I just put needle here and bring it down like this. Again, same thing. This mala. Okay, yeah. You can also make if you have, otherwise no problem, do it. Whatever you have, what type of flower you have, in that just do. After completing this, I will teach you the next method. Okay, I will do later. I'm just trying to do it very fast. Like this. Again, I use this color flower. I think, shall I use this? No need. I do full yellow color flower, mala. Who want to sing? Or who want to say any shloka? Whatever.
Mataji, can I?
Yeah, say. Who is telling? Krishnangi, unmute and say. Only Krishna can hear, not me.
Mataji, I
say.
was unable to unmute again and again.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay. Now try. Yeah, say.
Raje Prasecharam Gopanganam Chadukulacharam Anika Janmarjita Papacharam Ganyam Purusham Namami Shri Radhikaya Daya Chacharam
Very good.
Kanticharam Padashim Chani Krita Pashitamya Kantivicham Patigehaminam Kenapyaho Vishana Chamraitra Ashtam Shrutam Vana Jagatrayeti Yajiya Nama Piharatya Shesham Giri Prasanamati Paparashin Ascharya Rupo Nanu Chauraitra Dushto Shruto Vana Jagatrayeti Mara!
Yes, Krishnangi. Very good, Putta. Bahu samichinam.
Just a second.
Ma'am. Okay.
Mataji, Mataji,
Yes, Prajwal.
coming in.
Pani. Wow. Bahu sundaram.
माला
बहु सुंदरम पारिजात पुष्प आहा
यस माता जी
सुंदर पुष्प
कृष्णा's
फेवरेट आम 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 कृष्णा's फेवरेट
धन्यवाद माता जी
माता
जी I can say song
Arnav yes puta say
वसुदेव सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् अतासि पुष्पसङ्कर्षं हरनूपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयोऽयं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्
किं जातं स्मृतवान् वा
माताजी my माला you are in mute माताजी
जी स्मृतवती आम 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 बहु सुंदरम प्रज्वल हेमांगी गायति वा एक गीतं गायतु
माताजी
Sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
आम आम वदतु
माताजी
आम्
भवत्
अभवत् किल अस्तु अस्तु शोभनम्
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Yes, Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
बहु शोभनम् हेमांगी आम् बहु सम्यक् गायति
माताजी can I?
यस् गोपी
ओम विश्वं विष्णुर्वषट्कारो भूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूतभूत परमागतिः अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञ अक्षरमेव च योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहो श्रीमान् केशव पुरुषोत्तम सर्वशिवस्थाणुर्भूतादिर्निधनव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्त प्रभुरीश्वरः स्वयं भूषम्भुरादित्य पुष्कराक्ष महासनः अनादिनिधनो दातः विधातदातमुत्तमः न प्रमेयो ऋषिकेशः पद्मनाभोमरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुष्यश्चस्तविष्णुस्तविनोद्रोः अग्राह्य शाश्वत कृष्ण लोहिताक्षकृतर्दनः प्रभूतस्थितबुद्धामा पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम् ईशान प्राणद प्राण ज्येष्ठ श्रेष्ठ प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः ईश्वरो विक्रमीदन्नी मेधावी विक्रमक्रमः अनुत्तमो दुरादर्श प्रत्यय सर्वदर्शनः अज सर्वेश्वर सिद्ध सिद्धि सर्वादिरक्षितः
कृतज्ञ कृतिरात्मवान्
So where did I reach?
सुरेश
सुरेश शरणं शरणं विश्वरेता प्रजाभवः अहं संवत्सराभ्याम् प्रत्यय सर्वदर्शनः अज सर्वेश्वर सिद्धि सर्वाधिरक्षिता विशाखपुरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिश्चितः वसुर्वसुमनासत्य समात्मा समितस्समः मोघपुण्डरीकाक्ष वृषकर्मा वृषाकृतिः रुद्रो बहुशिरा बुभुक्षे योनिसुचिश्रवा अमृत शाश्वत स्थाणुर्वरारोहो महातपः सर्वगच्छर्वविद्वान् क्षेनो जनार्दनः वेदो वेदविदव्यङ्गो वेदाङ्गो वेदवित्कविः लोकाध्यक्ष सुराध्यक्ष धर्माध्यक्ष कृताकृतः आत्मा चतुर्व्यूहश्चतुर्धुष्टचतुर्भुजः राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदाद्विजः अनघो विजयो जेतः विश्वयोनि पुनर्वसुः उपेन्द्रो वामन प्रांशुरामो वसुचिरुर्जितः अतिप्रसङ्गः सर्गो दत्तात्मा नियमो यमः वेदो वेति सदा योगी वीरः माधवो माधवः अतीन्द्रियो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिरुद्धसुरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदाम्पतिः महेश्वासो महीवर्ध श्रीनिवास सतांगति अनिरुद्धसुरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदाम्पतिः
मरीचिर्दमनो हंस महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिर्देश्य वपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महाद्रिधृक् महेश्वासो महीभर्ता श्रूयते किल गोपी? you missed one line. पश्यतु पश्यतु
Mataji already finished.
not yet, have little more. I will do. I will complete and show.
Kirtan.
Yeah Puta.
से पकड़ दोनों साइड से।
Mataji, please could I show my garlands?
Yes.
Mataji, how do you put this thread into the needle? I can't do it.
Mataji.
That is magic.
Mataji, could I show now?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, Havish, beautiful. Hey, wait. I will talk to you, everyone. Yeah, Havish, very beautiful. Madhvi, yes, good. Very good.
Not the thread.
And Lakshmi Priya, yes, good. Krishnangi also good. And who else?
Mataji. Finish
Huh.
Mataji.
Very good, Puta Prajwal. Beautiful. Arnav,
Mataji.
yes.
Where? Why?
Yes, Puta.
Mataji, can I sing a kirtan?
Yeah, sing.
Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavana Shri Govinda Gopi Natha Madana Mohana
Honey, just cut this.
Radha Kunda
Honey,
Govardhana Kalindi Jamuna Jaya Jaya Mahavana Rishi Ghata Bamshi Bata Dwadasha Kanana Jaha Sabalila Kailo Shri Nandanandana Shri Nanda Jashoda Jaya Jaya Gopagana Shri Damadi Jaya Jaya Dhenu Vatsagana Jaya Vrishabhanu Jaya Kirtida Sundari Jaya Purnamasi Jaya Abhiranagana
ईश्वर वृंदावन माझ जय जय कृष्ण सखा बटु द्विजराज जय राम घाट जय रोहिणी नंदन जय जय वृंदावन बासी जत जन जय द्विज पत्नी जय नागकन्यागण भक्ति तेजहार पैलो गोविंद चरण श्रीरस मंडल जय जय राधा श्याम जय जय रास लीला सब मनोहम जय जयोज्वल रस सर्वरस सार पर किया भावे चाह ब्रजते प्रचार श्री जाह्नवी पाद पद्मा करिया स्मरण दीन कृष्ण दास कहे नाम संकीर्तन जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन श्री गोविंद गोपी नाथ मदन मोहन हरे कृष्ण माताजी
हरे कृष्ण बहु शोभनं लास्य परन्तु अहं न पश्यन् अस्मि चित्रं न उद्घाटयति किल किमर्थं
माताजी
किमर्थं पश्यतु पश्यतु मुखं पश्यतु चित्रम् उद्घाटयतु एकवारं पश्यामि न कृतवती आमामामाम् बहु सुन्दरम्
धन्यवाद माताजी
आम् कुत्र अस्ति माला न कृतवती वा
No Mataji, but I'm seeing
माताजी
I will do.
कदा
When flower will come.
oh it will come automatically very good
No Mataji.
अस्तु अस्तु इदानीम् अहं
Mataji, can I
नूतनरीत्या
the flowers take time to when they are they will take time when they grow. The season
आमाम् अस्तु 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 पश्यन्तु सर्वे कृतवती रमणीयम् अस्ति वा
Mataji.
आम् इदानीं नूतनरीत्या नूतनशैल्याः आम् अस्तु समीचीनम् अर्णव तिष्ठतु वदामि एकनिमिषः तिष्ठतु यस् गोपी शो मी Mala. Where is Mala?
I did not.
Hey. Wow. Now I will teach new style. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Here no need any needles. Okay. Just thread. Hare Krishna, I'm loving because. Okay, okay. Chinta nasti. Yes, Amrita. Yeah, next class we will learn. Yes. So take thread and take one small
Mataji,
flower
should
if
we
you have.
a thick thread or should we have a thick thread or should we have a small thin thread?
Not too much small. You can take a little big. Thick, thick or thin? What you asked?
What happened to me?
Like Mataji, like this much thick thread is okay?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, Putta.
Okay.
Okay. Little thin also okay.
Okay.
Okay. It will be very easy if you take little thin thread like this. Can you see? Or I will show one more. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah, this much is enough. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now I will show another method. Okay. Take one flower. Small. If you have small flower, otherwise no problem. If you have this kind of flower also, it's okay. Okay.
Mataji, this flower is okay.
Wait. Which kind, Putta? Yeah, okay, Putta. Okay, that is also okay. So I will show with this flower itself.
This flower okay.
Okay, Putta. Okay. That is also okay. Yes. Now I will show you how to do. Okay.
Mataji, I can't see your video. Mataji, your video is paused.
Is it?
Nasti Mataji.
Okay. Maybe some network issue, Putta. Okay. Everyone can see, right? Okay. See, this is thread and this is one flower. I just can you see? I just keep here like this.
Yes,
And
Mataji, we can.
I just roll and bring it here. And I will make one knot. How I will make? Just see. Very easily I will tell. You can do like this, hold like this, and turn it and make one knot and just pull it. You can take your mother help.
Once again,
Yeah, I will show you. I will show you many times. You can take your mother's help also because mothers will know this. Again, one flower. I put it here. I put it here and like this. I will do like this downwards. Okay, like this down and bring it here. Little tight, pull little and take like this. It is very simple way and like this. And I will just make it down and with this I just put knot. Can you see? Is it clear? And I will just pull. You can try. Okay, again, one more time I will show you.
Thank you.
Wait. this flower, this is thread. Okay, I just keep here one flower, I keep here next to that second flower, and like this, bring it down and pull it. And if it is difficult to do like this, you can do one knot here itself like this, and pull it. If like this, you can't do like this, then no problem, or you can do like this also. If you can't do like this, then
like that.
yeah, no problem. Then you can do with the help of this finger like this, you do and turn, and you can put inside here and pull it. That is also possible. You can try that one. After learning, it will be very easy.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, one more time I will show you. You can see, right? Yeah, like this. And only one flower. Okay, only one flower. I just do and pull it and just turn here. You can do like very small knot, and only for one flower you can do like this and pull it. Yes, I can't hear you. Who is talking?
You live in one class. Shop.
Krishna, mute yourself. ನೋಡಿ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗಿಡೋದು, ಒಂದನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು. No problem. Okay, no problem. You can try. You can take your mother's help. Okay. Yeah. Arnav and who can understand Kannada? I'm just guiding. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So, ಇದು ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹೂವಿನ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಹೂವನ್ನ ಹೀಗಿಡೋದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಥ್ರೆಡ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಳೆದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ತಂದು ಈ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಹೀಗಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಳಿಬೇಕು. एक और बार मैं कहूंगी, सुन लीजिए. थ्रेड है ना, के बाजू में बहुत ऐसे.
What's the matching color of blue?
See.
Look, light blue.
Yes, Rukmini, yes. You will get. So, ಇದನ್ನ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಮರ್ತೋಯ್ತು, ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ऐसे बाजू में रखकर नीचे से धाग को ऐसे पीछे से ऊपर लेना है. लेने के बाद स्मॉल नॉट ऐसे ट्विस्ट करके एक फ्लावर है ना, उस पर डालना है और खींचना है. ठीक है, एक और बार कहूंगी. फ्लावर को ऐसे पकड़कर धागे के ऊपर रखना है और एक फूल को ऐसे नीचे से धाग को ऐसे ऊपर खींचकर ट्विस्ट करके एक फूल को ऐसे डालकर खींचना है. ठीक है? यस. ओके रुक्मिणी, ओके, चिंता नास्ती. यस. तो ऐसे बनता है, पीछे से ऐसे दिखता है और फ्रंट से ऐसे दिखता है.
Mataji,
Yes.
my mother has been trying to learn this technique from my grandmother from
Yeah.
childhood, but still she
Yes.
could not get it perfect.
You learn then.
Mataji, abhavat.
अभवत् पश्यतु. एकनिमिषः. रुक्मिणी अस्तु, चिन्ता नास्ति. लास्या, माध्वी. आमां हरीस् समीचीनम्. अस्तु. अर्णव, इदानीं कः उक्तवती अभवत् इति? हरि उक्तवान् वा? अस्तु. अस्तु. एकवारं पुनः पश्यतु. अत्र स्थापयित्वा see like this. You should take thread like this, bring it down and again up and make a small knot. Okay, small knot like this type. Can twist. After twisting, one knot will come and just only for one. Yeah, and again I'm going to pull this. It will make knot. You can try. Let me try also. Yeah. Who will sing now? Arnav. Yes, Arnav. You can sing. Everyone, please try to do. Okay.
Mataji, I can say Vishnu Sahasranam. Vishwam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhuta Kret Bhuta Pridbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha Bhutatma Paramatma Cha Muktanam Paramapati Avyaya Purusha Sakshi Kshetranya Sarajeva Cha Yogo Yoga Vidam Neta Pradana Purusheshwaraha Narasimha Sriman Keshava Purushotamaha Sarva Sivashtanor Bhutani Ridiravyaya Sambhavo Bhavano Bharta Prabhava Prabhurishvara Swayambhu Shampuraditya Pushkaraksho Mahasmanaha Anadinidano Data Vidadada Turuttamaha Aprameyo Rishikesha Padmanabho Maraprabhu Vishwakarma Manustvashta Savishta Saviro Dhruvaha Agraya Shashvata Krishna Lohidaksha Pradardanaha Praputastrika Puddama Pavitram Mangalam Param Ishana Pranada Prana Jeshta Shreshta Prajapati Hiranyagarbho Bhugarbo Madhavo Madhusudanaha Ishvaro Vikramidhanvi Medavi Vikramakramaha Anuttamo Duradarsha Kritagnya Kritiragmavan Suresha Saranam Sharma Vishwareta Prachabhavaha Avasamvarsara Vyala Tatraya Sarvadarshanaha Ajas Sarveshvara Siddha Siddhi Sarvadirachyuta Vrishaka प्रमेयात्मा सर्वयोग विनिश्रुतः वशुर्वसो मनः सद्या समात्मा संविदः समः अमोघ पुण्डरीकाक्षो वृषकर्मा वृषाकृतिः रुद्रो बहुशिराकर्णोर्विश्वयोनिषु चिस्रवा अमृत शाश्वतष्टानो वरारोहो महातपा सर्वग सर्वविद्वानो विश्वक्षेनो जनार्दनः वेदो वेदविदव्यङ्गो वेदांगो वेदविकविः लोकाध्यक्ष सुराध्यक्ष धर्माध्यक्ष कृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूह चतुर्दं चतुर्भुजा राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदाजिता अनगो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनि पुनर्वसुः उपेन्द्रो वामनः प्रांशोर् अमोघसुचिरोर्चितः अतीन्द्रः सङ्ग्रहः सर्गो धृतज्ञानियमो यमः वेद्यो वैद्य सदा योगी वीरः माधवो मधुः अतीन्द्रयो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः महाबोधिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिर्देशवपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महाधृतः महेश्वासो मयि भर्ता श्रीनिवास सदाङ्गतिः अनिरुद्धस्वरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदाङ्गतिः मरीचिर्दमनोहंसा सुपर्णो गुजगोत्तमः हिरण्यनाभासुतपा पद्मनाभा प्रजापतिः अमृत्यो सर्वदृक्सिंहा सन्दाता सन्धिमान् स्थिरः अजो दुर्मर्शनस्ताक्ता विश्रुदात्मा सुरारिहा गुरुर्गुरुर्मोदाम सत्य सत्य पराक्रमः निमिषो निमिषश्रद्भि वाचस्पतिरुदारधि अग्रनिग्रामणि श्रीमान् न्यायो नेता समीरणः सहस्रपूर्ता विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्ष सहस्रपाद आवर्तनो वृद्धात्मा सम्प्रतः सम्प्रमर्दनः निमिषो निमिषस्वद्वि वाचस्पतिरुदारधिः अग्रनिग्रामणि श्रीमान् न्यायो नेता समीरणः सहस्रपूर्ता विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्ष सहस्रपाद
आवर्तनो
विवृद्धात्मा
निवृत्तात्मा
संप्रमर्दनः निमिषो
Aha samvartako. Dhar anilo dharani dharaha. Anilo. Yes, Rukmini, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Dharani dharaha.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Pranam.
Pranam. Puta. Yes, now I'm using this one, like the same procedure, whatever I did in white flower, okay? Same thing. I'm using this flower and making small mala like this and twisting and just pull. Make a knot and pull. Just take like this, make one small knot with the help of 2-3 fingers and just put inside. Wait, yeah, like this and hold here and pull it. You can learn it little bit tough, but okay. You can do like this also, like this, and make one knot here itself and bring it here and pull it. It is also very easy. Do it tight and with the help of one finger and one small knot, twist and knot, twist and knot, twist it and knot. So like this.
Mataji, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Thank you. Yes. How many mala you completed, everyone? Mine is a very small one.
One, Mataji. I'm going the second.
And this one again, one more small. For Balakrishna, very small mala I did.
Mataji, how
Yeah.
about if you tie those to the which one? The yellow one and the white one?
Means what, Putta? I didn't get you.
Like tie those two together.
Tied two together, ah?
Yeah, those the yellow one what you just now showed.
I showed, Putta.
No, the yellow one, the same one what you did.
Yeah.
Yeah, tie the white one and the yellow one together.
Together, ah?
Yeah.
It will be little not difficult. It won't look so nice because it's very small one and this is a big one, so it won't adjust properly. So that's why I kept separately. This one is yellow and this one very small for my
Thank
Lord
you,
Balakrishna. Again one more small I did for Balakrishna, and this one is big one to decorate again.
For who, Mataji? The big one
All
for?
for Krishna only. Who else?
No,
Yeah.
big Krishna.
Big one. Yeah, big Krishna.
Okay.
Mandapa. This one, the first I made it. Very small one. Are you tired? Shall we tie more? Shall we do one more big mala?
Mataji, one more.
One more. First type or the second type? Which type you want to do?
Mataji, second one I am unable to do.
Yeah, if you practice, you will get Putta. You can take help from your mother.
Yes.
Yeah, it is also very easy, but little what? Not tough actually. Tricky method. Making knot. It is the one small tricky method.
I have seen
So
my
you
neighbor
can.
auntie doing like this mala.
Ah, yes.
He is very expert in doing mala.
Yes.
Mataji, please can I leave? I have to leave, Mataji. Havish.
Havish, where you want to go?
I'm having snack.
Afternoon snack.
Afternoon snack.
Okay, Putta, sure. How many mala you completed? Show me.
Okay, Mataji, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yes. Just like this, yes.
I only had one type of
Mataji, I had one type of color.
No problem. No problem.
Mataji, can I leave? I made 2 malas.
Wait. Don't go anywhere.
Mataji, can you see?
Wait. Yes, very good. I also show. Wait. Give me some more. Few minutes, not more. Only few minutes.
Okay, Mataji.
Give me few minutes. And I will show you.
It's very cold.
Very cold. Where?
Over my room, in my room. Mataji, I have also completed 2 malas.
Very
By the
good.
first method only. Both are of the first method.
Mataji, I made malas, but
Small
one is short.
and one is a big one.
Yes, very good, very good. Just give
But
me
still
few
I
more
have so many
minutes.
flowers left.
What, Putta?
Oh. Still I have so many flowers left.
Yeah, you can practice. Just please practice.
How to do Mataji the second method?
Mataji, can I leave?
Yes, Putta. Who? Havish, right?
Ritika, can I leave?
Yeah, Putta. Okay, you can do this.
Bye, Mataji.
Bye. Yes.
Mataji?
Yes.
Mataji, actually because I was having here network. Mataji.
Where is Laddu Gopal?
Very nice, Mataji. I wish if I could be like you.
Like this.
Thank you, Mataji, for showing. Wow.
So we can do a lot of things.
So cute. Yes. Mataji, mala. I have this much of flowers still left, Mataji. So many flowers.
You can also practice, Putta. Again, one more mala we will do. Okay.
Mataji, with the second method, let us do, Mataji.
Yeah, I will teach you again. Wait, I will show you. First, I will keep everything aside. Okay, yeah. Second method, I will show you one more time. Okay.
I have seen this doing by my auntie.
Yes. Again, you can ask anyone there if any neighbor knows this.
Yes,
you can ask.
she always be free, so I will ask her if she can also.
Yes. Okay. Maybe when you watching through mobile or laptop, like online, you may get confusion. So that is why. Okay. So thread. Okay.
Just a second, Mataji, could you show that when you tie the flower thing?
Means this one?
No, Mataji, when you tie the flower. Yeah, just do it once, Mataji. Once. Do it once.
Yeah, I will do it. Wait, I will do it.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you.
Mataji
So-
completed my second
Ah,
mala. But it's so big, none of my DDs can wear it.
why?
Maybe I should give it to the temple or something.
Oh, that much big. Okay, show me. Oh God, so beautiful. Yeah. If you have mantapa, means what we call mantapa.
We can decorate our temple.
Yeah, in your home itself. Yes,
Mataji, I
nah.
took a small thread. Then what
Yeah,
happened?
it took, yeah. So just take one flower and
that 1 second.
keep here.
Which flower do I took?
You can
Yeah,
take
it's
any
91%.
flower, small flower or big flower.
Yes, Mataji.
I will sit like this. You make it.
Mataji, I can't see your video again.
No. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see, right? This is thread.
देर हो जा रही थी हमको.
And I'm just doing this. And make one small knot. And you should hold here tight, okay?
Mummy.
And again, small knot. Like this. And hold and pull it. I will show you again, don't worry. You have to pull it tight. Huh? Wow. So beautiful, Hemangi. Yeah, Gopi.
Mataji.
Yes. Very beautiful. Hari bol. Where is big one?
Made one only for Radharani.
Another
The
big
big
one.
one is not there. This is the small one, Mataji, the first one.
Okay,
The
the second
big
one.
one, maybe I
Where?
should put for Jagannath.
Yeah, you can complete. Yeah, cover it. Try it. See here. Gopi, you do. I'm also doing this one mala. This one thread. And I will keep flower like this. And I will make one knot downward. And upward again, I will make one knot. You can take your finger like this and twist it and take a flower inside from the knot and pull it, that thread. Also, we can do it in other way, means we can take two flowers together and bring it down
Mataji.
and twist and upward also. Yeah, you can do like this also. Two
Mataji.
side. Yes.
Can I leave, Mataji?
Wait. Everyone we will leave soon. Only 5 more minutes, 5 to 10 more minutes, okay? Yeah, just wait.
Okay, Mataji.
Who want to come? Who
I
want to
will
do
have my lunch
Mala?
at 12.
Or shall we end here? What, Krishnangi?
I will have my lunch at 12:45, so I have to leave first.
No problem. We
I
will.
will help
every-
mommy to set the table.
Oh, so sweet. Wait. Prabhuji.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Mataji.
What we will do?
Samapnam shakyate.
Okay, astu.
Mataji.
Tarhi. Gopi,
बहु
where are you?
समीचीनं जायमानः अस्ति
Ah.
छात्राः अपि बहवः रीत्या कृतवन्तः
आमाम्
गीत्वा गायनं गीत्वा सर्वं रेकार्ड् बहु समीचीनं
धन्यवादः महोदय अस्तु तर्हि अत्रैव समापयामः
आम् आम् माताजि अग्रिमकक्षायां पश्यामः
आमामाम्
रविवासरे कर्तुं शक्यते पश्यामः कथं भवति किञ्चित् मध्याह्नसमये वा पश्यामः कथं आम्
अस्तु अस्तु
हरे
हरे कृष्ण
हरि हरि everybody now show your mala.
Gopi Shobhanam.
Mataji, I just put it on Srila Prabhupada and Gurudev's altar.
Yeah, very good. Everybody show. Yeah.
Mataji, I have to dress my Gopal and then I have to do this. I
No
will
problem.
wear him the mala.
Okay. Everybody show. Yes, sir. Now, yeah. And Madhvi, yes, beautiful. Lakshmi Priya, beautiful. Hemangi, yes, Ramaniyam.
Please send photograph.
Yes.
One photograph. In your respective groups, you can send.
Yes. Astu. Very beautiful. Prajwal, where you went?
Mataji, I will also show.
Yes, Putta, show. Chitram udghatetu. Krishnangi. Sundaram. Astu. Prajwal.
I have one more mala. When I will dress my Gopal, then I will wear him
Ma'am. Avashyam.
that mala.
Yes, wow. Very good. Yes, Prajwal. Hemangi. Unmute yourself and say.
Mataji, these are Madan Mohan and Lalita Vishaka Sakhi altar. Down Gurudev Prabhu there.
Shobhanam.
Are you able to see, Mataji?
Yes, I can.
This small altar, she put the garland on this small altar.
Very good.
Mataji,
Yes, Putta.
I also have my Gopalji.
She put one more garland on Gopalji.
Very good. It's beautiful.
Gopalji is in the altar, so I cannot take mobile there. I'll try to
Okay.
manage.
No problem. Yes. No problem. Yes.
Mataji, who should I send the photos to?
To group. If you have any group, you can. Do you have any group, WhatsApp group or any? batch. You have Pogandasi group,
In your groups. In your groups.
Pogandasi or Kaishora, whatever group you have. Gopi, can you hear me?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Okay, fine. Where is Hari Sarvottama, Lakshmi Priya? Hari? Agachatu? Aha! Ramaniyam. Oh, Sundaramala Krutavan. Astu, astu. Shobhanam. Tarhi atreva samapayamaha. Prabhuji?
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Katham karaniyam?
किमपि प्रार्थनां कृत्वा भवती एव करोतु माताजि कृत्वा समापयामि
तर्हि अस्तु अस्तु
शान्ति
विष्णुप्रिय हरे कृष्ण विष्णुप्रिय पश्यतु पश्यतु विष्णुप्रिय पश्यतु इदं भारी जोरद्या अस्तु अस्तु एकनिमिष अस्तु माध्वी अस्ति वा हरे कृष्ण विष्णुप्रिय सर्वे हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र वदन्तु हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण राम
राम राम हरे कृष्णा